Right, so on this previous video we just like created Docker images and so containers, right? So on this video we are gonna create a one Docker file, and we just like see how we can push our Docker file onto our private repository, and how can we push our Docker file onto Docker Hub in private repository. All right, so we're gonna do hands-on right now there. First we're gonna make a Docker file. It's like a similar how we can make a Docker file in previous video we are sure, right? Right, and we just like a switch to this directory, and we are gonna make a one Docker file here. And it's the same commands like before, and from is a mandatory. And also we are creating Ubuntu based image, right? And we're gonna update Ubuntu here. Like a latest, and also run a apt-get. First we're gonna update, also install Nginx package. And also we are going to expose here port 8080 because we can push our image into private repository. Port 80. Also we are going to write daemon off. We haven't give double quotes there. Alright, so we just like checking command will be perfect or not. Alright, so we have our Docker file right now here. Just save it and build a image. So we're gonna use a command there. Also give it tag. Alright, so our image will be successful built here. So just like a check it. Alright, created here. So we are trying to convert to container. when we are building image, we expose port 80, right? We have to mention their port 80 because it can be communicate with your Docker hub to your container, right? And I hope this will be so our container will be created right now here. So we are going to right now push this image on our private repository. So before we pushing there, we have to give a tag to our container, and this is the one container last few seconds ago we are created, right? So if you just before give you the tag, if you try to push there, it's not able to push, right? So what we give there, I mean, we are going to tag our Docker file. So alright, so giving a tag our image, we have to log in our private repository in your EC2 instance. So log in our private repository, we are going to give a command docker login. And we have to mention our private repository username, also password. So once you log in there, and we have to give a tag, right? And to giving a tag, we are going to use a command docker tag, and the image name what we give to tag, and also username slash your image name. Oh, I think we already have a giving a tag, right? Yes, and you can see there we already have a giving tag, that's way. And right now we are going to push our image into private repository, right? To using a docker push, and the image id what we giving a tag we have to mention there, right? And you can see there I think it's already pushed to our private repository. We're gonna check that right now it's successfully push or not, right? Yes, it's have been already successfully pushed. You can see just like a update few seconds ago, and once you click it, and you can see the tag version, and also it's showing a time a minute ago and pushed everything. And if you want more details, you can just like click it, you can see all the inside what you have been giving commands, and what you have right there, everything you can see there. Alright, and is that way to how to push Docker file on your private repository. Alright, I hope you guys can understand. If you have any doubt or question, you can leave me in comments.